Well, for the influencing others, you need to work on yourself first. People always like being surrounded by the good vibes only. So, to influence others' mind, you need to have good vibes. Good vibes will help you to come close with them. To be friendly with them, you don't need to be so bossy around. Listen to them and act in a very gentle way. Smile. This is one of the best secret to influence others. So always smile whom you want to influence. Invite them to the breakfast or the coffee, and there you can start chatting with them, making them feel important. Never step back from helping them. That is where they will always get influenced by you. Always keep working on your reputation and life. You don't need anyone to be criticized. When you help them, so make a best version of yourself. If you want others to get influenced by you, it is important to live a life that people can respect and look up to. Never judge anyone. You don't need to always poking others for how they are behaving or the talking or doing. If you want to guide them, start in a friendly manner. Always be honest with them. No showing off or the boasting. Just be with you. Be you in every way. Avoid arguing with others on every single point. Admit when they are wrong. Just be the way you are. Praise good work and keep smiling, because smiling is an inexpensive way that improve your looks, that improve your influencing. People connect you, people close you. So just be smile. It's one of the best weapon in the world.